Hello. In this video, I am going to show you all the different ways you can import a template into WeBrand. First, there's PDF import. No matter which platform you use, Canva, Illustrator, Photoshop, PowerPoint, or any other design tool, you just export your work as a PDF. WeBrand will automatically turn it into a fully editable SVG template, so every element, color, and font is ready for you or your team to edit right inside the platform. But that's not all. We also offer dedicated plugins for InDesign and Figma. These platforms are fantastic for creating and editing designs, but making quick changes, like swapping an image or localizing text, can be complicated and often requires a designer. Plus, licenses can get expensive. Our plugins make things simple. Just select your design in Figma or InDesign, and WeBrand creates a matching SVG template in your chosen collection. The plugins map the design elements and attributes from Figma and InDesign, so your templates stay accurate and editable. This opens up your templates to a wider audience, making it easy for anyone to create on-brand content. No extra software or design skills needed. No matter where your design starts, WeBrand gives you a seamless way to bring your templates in and keep your brand consistent.